Welcome to our channel. Easy guide to set up your Rockspace Wi-Fi router. Unbox the router package. Carefully unbox your Rockspace router and make sure all accessories are included: the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user manual. Connect the router to power. Plug the power adapter into your router and then connect it to a nearby power outlet. Wait for the LED indicators to turn on. Attach the Ethernet cable. Use the provided Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the WAN Internet port on the Rockspace router. Wait for router initialization. Allow a few minutes for the router to boot up and establish a connection with the modem. The LED lights will indicate a stable connection. Connect to the default Wi-Fi network. On your phone or laptop, search for the default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, shown on the label at the back of your router and connect using the default password. Open a web browser. Once connected, open any browser and type rockspace.local or 192.168.0.1 in the address bar to access the router's setup page. Log into the setup page, enter the default login credentials. Usually both username and password are admin, unless specified otherwise on the router label. Follow the setup wizard. Once logged in, the setup wizard will guide you through the basic configuration, including setting your new Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password. Save settings and restart. After customizing the settings, click on Save or Finish. The router will reboot to apply the new configurations. Reconnect devices to new network. Now, connect all your phones, laptops, and smart devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the updated password. Thank you for watching.